Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Kids, this is the moral story of two cats and one monkey. Once upon a time in a jungle there were two cats named Penny and Dotty. They were fast friends. One day they got a piece of bread. While sharing, they made big and small pieces. So they began to fight for the bigger piece. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said, "I will share it equally." He bit the bigger piece to make it equally. Again, it bits the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bits by bits, he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. So kids, moral of the story is we must learn to share what we have. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.